Hello students, today we are discussing our next topic, properties of multiplication of a rational number. So our first property we are seeing. We are having two rational number 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 7. When we are multiplying these two rational number, we will get our answer minus 10 upon 21. So minus 10 upon 21 is also a rational number. There, that means the product of two rational numbers is also a rational number. This is a closure property for the multiplication of rational numbers. So that means if A and B are any two rational numbers, then A into B is also a rational number. Then we will see our next property. In that we are having the two rational numbers same. So first rational number is 5 by 12 and second is minus 8 upon 15. When we are multiplying it, we cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. That means 1 into minus 2 upon 3 into 3 is equals to minus 2 upon 9. And when we are multiplying minus 8 upon 15 into 5 by 12, similarly we cancel this number and our answer is minus 2 upon 9. That means if you multiply the rational number as a 5 upon 12 into minus 8 upon 15 is equals to minus 8 upon 15 into 5 upon 12. That means no order is required to multiply the rational number. Two rational number can be multiplied in any order. This is the commutative property for the multiplication of rational numbers. Then if A and B are any two rational numbers, then A into B is equals to B into A. So this is our second property for rational number. Then we will see the next property. So minus 5 by 8 into 0 is equals to 0, or 0 into minus 5 by 8 is also is equals to 0. That means when we are multiplying by 0 to the any rational number, our answer will be 0. Okay. So the product of 0 and any rational number is 0. This is the multiplication property of 0. Understand? If A is any rational number, then A into 0 is equals to 0 into A is equals to 0. Okay? Then next property we will see. Here we are having 1 into minus 5 by 6 is equals to 1 into minus 5 by 6. That means our solution is same, minus 5 by 6. And the product of 1 and any rational number is the number itself. That means if you multiplying the any rational number with 1, so your answer will be same. This property is known as a multiplicative property of 1, and 1 is called a multiplicative identity of a rational number. If A is any rational number, then A into 1 is equals to 1 into A is equals to A. Okay. Then the next property we will see. 2 by 3 is our rational number into minus 5 by 6 into 7 upon 15. This is our solution. So here we have to solve this. How we solve? Using the Bodemas rule, we are solving first bracket. So in bracket we are cancelling some numbers, then we solve it. So we get minus 7 upon 18 and then we multiply it by 2 by 3. So our final solution is minus 7 upon 27. Okay. And you can also differentiate these two as a 2 into 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 6. That means into 7 upon 15. So your solution is the same, minus 7 upon 27. Okay. So you have to multiply these brackets separately. So this property is called the distributive property of multiplication of rational numbers. Okay. So in both the steps your answer is same, minus 7 upon 27. So we write down in short 2 by 3 into in bracket minus 5 by 6 into 7 upon 15 is equals to 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 6 into 2 by 3 into 7 upon 15. Okay. So these are or more numbers can be grouped in any order to find their product. So this is the associative property of rational numbers. Okay. If A and B and C are any three rational numbers, then A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Okay. So no fixed order can be followed for the multiplication of the rational numbers. Then our next property is 2 by 3 into in bracket 5 upon 6 plus this sign is there 7 upon 8. So first we have to solve the bracket. So for solving the bracket we are finding the LCM of 6 and 8, it is 24. Then we are making the denominator same and our solution of bracket is at 41 upon 24. Then you multiply it by 2 by 3. So our solution is 41 upon 36. And we take 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8. So 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 is 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. That means 5 upon 9 plus 2 by 7 into 2 by 3 into 7 by 8. So 5 by 9 plus 7 by 12. So our solution is the same 41 upon 36. Okay. So you can write down it as 2 by 3 in bracket 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8 is equals to 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8. So this property is called the distributive property of a rational number. So multiplication of rational number is a distributive over addition. So this is very important property. Okay. So up to that all properties we discuss are very essential to solve the multiplication. ABC are any three rational numbers, then A into in bracket B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property for the multiplication of rational numbers. Then our next property we will see. Before that you have to write down it as for the subtraction also. So multiplication of a rational numbers is distributive over subtraction also in same manner. So our next property, minus 8 by 17 into 17 upon minus 8 is equals to 1. The reciprocal of a minus 8 by 17 is 17 upon minus 8. Okay. So it is very easy to find out the reciprocal. If A and B are two rational numbers such that A into B is equals to 1, then each is called the reciprocal of other. Okay. So all these properties are about the rational numbers.